Have you been suffering from migraines that is really debilitating you and stopping you from your normal day-to-day activities? Today I want to share with you this self-healing technique to help yourself by targeting on the reflective energy points that are going to help to relieve the blockages that causes migraine. Hi, it's Somji here. In this video, I am going to show you how to use AcuReflexology to target on those active energy points that mirroring the active pain to relieve the energy that backed up and blockages to help your body to re-regulate itself and to bring its equilibrium back. So let's get to it. To those who are new to AcuReflexology, we are going to need a simple tool. It's an AcuPen. It has a small medium tip. So what this does, it's going to target a certain energy point on our face. In AcuReflexology, mainly we're working on our face, but yet it's about 60% of the energy endings that we work on would be on our face, and then other part would be mirroring different areas of the body. But if you're going to get a simple basic tool, I would suggest to have this. I'm going to attach the link below for you so you can access to the right tool. It's very inexpensive and it will last you for a very long time. And the next we need is Tiger Balm. Tiger Balm comes in solid form. What it does is it stays intact. I would prefer this over liquid. It produces heat and it helps to really penetrate the meridian, and it would be assist us while we're doing the triggering. It helps to opens up the meridian and the energy pathway. So let's look at the diagram on the side. The first diagram is to open the main energy gate. So it started from the coccyx bone all the way to the top of the head, and then it ended in front of our forehead. So that would complete the whole gate of the main energy gate. So in Eastern medicine, we believe that the energy gate is like a main highway. Once the main highway opens, it helps to carry all the extra energy from the smaller meridian, and it helps the energy to flow. Once the main highway blocked, what happened is the energy got backed up in all the small meridian. And then when the energy is not moving, it gets really stagnant, and that's when the sickness starts and illness begins. So before we're working on all the small channel, we often target the main energy gate to help to stimulate and get it flows, and it opens up. When you open the main energy gate, you find it spontaneously heals some mild symptoms in our body. Please sanitize your hands and your tool very well before we start the session, because you're going to dip your finger and the tool into the Tiger Balm to make sure that you sanitize it. All right, so take a small amount. I would always take out the whole dab of it like this. I put it on my hands, so that way I just use it from here, easy to access to, and I don't have to double dip into the jar. So in the beginning, we're going to dab a little bit. You can just almost like touches the finger on it. It doesn't have to be a lot. And start to massage your coccyx. It's your tailbone. So reach over and do it in a circular motion in about 30 counts. Give it enough contact because you need to warm up that area. So just massage it in this motion. All right, so after you do about 30 counts, then you move on up to the sacrum. The sacrum is just below your waistband, and you see it on the diagram there. All right, you feel it and do your 30 counts again in a circular motion. Next, you move up to between your shoulder, so just like behind your heart center. That would be your shoulder. Sometimes I add an extra point is just between your kidney. Intuitively, if you feel that that energy really blocked, then you can also add that extra energy points there between your kidney. All right. Otherwise, we are working on just behind your heart center. You reach over, and if you can reach over to the back of your back, then you can ask someone to help you. then do 30 counts. You can always pause the video and do your massage and then come back to me. Then we're moving on to the C6 or C7, just right. I will turn around to show you. So C6 and C7, it would be right here. So you do circular motion like this, 20 to 30 counts. Then you're moving up to this. Base of the head is between the two bones. You will find the dented area right there. Same thing, you add a little bit of tiger balm and then you put it lightly there, and then you do your 30 counts. You can pause the video and finish your circular motion massage, and then you come back to me when you're done. Next, we are moving up to the head. On top of the head, just like all the way, it's not right in the center, but slightly back, you'll find it's like a small little dented area there. Put a little bit, not a lot, just a tiny bit of tiger balm and massage it 30 counts in circular motion. So you can pause the video, finish your 30 counts, and come back to me. Leading to the next diagram would be 3 energy points in the forehead to complete our main gate opening. When you look at the 103, if you divide your forehead by half, this horizontal line right in the center, you divide it by half. Your forehead, there's a center line, that would be your number 103. So you do 3 push, medium, medium, harder. Make sure you have a little bit of tiger balm on it, and then you do 1, 2, 3. 3 push, but do it very decisively and consistently, medium, medium, and a little bit harder. All right. The second one, that is 103. From that point to your eyebrow, you divide it by half in the same vertical line. You do 3 push, that's your number 106. 1, 2, 3. Then we're moving up to number 300. So number 300, if you're looking at the center of your eyes, you draw the line up. If you divide your forehead horizontally by equal 4 line, you get the top line here, and the center of your eye on both sides, you draw the line up, you will meet number 300. You do 3 push, medium, medium, hard, and then medium, medium, hard, and then you release. So that is complete number 300. We work on that extra point on your forehead. This energy point, if you open your hairline and look at this, there's a peak here. Right beside it, that would be the energy points that we are looking for. So there's a peak, and then there's a slightly recede. So on this 2 energy point, you add a little bit of the tiger balm on this, and then you can either do your fingers really hard, do a massage in a circular motions on both sides, and make sure you really get into it. Or if you have something like this rounded tip of the ball, you can also give it pressure. So wherever, depend where you are. Sometimes you're in the car and you don't have the tool, you just use your finger. If you have this at home, then just access something smooth and rounded tip like this, and then you do the massage on both sides. So do 60 counts on that energy point. Then now we're looking at the migraine formula, which is our next diagram. So if you're looking on your head, I'm going to move my head back so you can see it better. So if you're looking at it this way, your ear, you draw the line straight up. It doesn't end right in the center of your forehead. It's about 2 fingers. That would be the D on the diagram. So you will use this to massage it in a circular motion. You can dab a little bit of tiger balm on that spot and start using this to massage it in the circular motion. And just close your eyes and feel that energy point. If it's lumpy, if it's really painful, most of the time it would be very sharp pain. which is normal. You just have to stay there and do a count to 60 counts just to help to open up that energy point. And that when you're done, you can stop the video and do your counting, do your massage, and then come back to me. So same thing from your ear, from the earlobe, you draw this line straight up. About 1 finger you will meet. You draw this line straight up, and then here, same thing, you would add a bit of a tiger balm on this area, and you're using the pen to massage it in a circular motions for 60 counts. If it hurt, you still have to do it. It's very uncomfortable, but it would help you to release the blockages. So you can pause the video and come back to me when you're done your 60 counts. On to the next. So those first energy points up here is on the straight line. So if you draw this line up, that's your first, second, and then the third is right in between these two, not all the way to the back. Again, it's about 2 fingers away from the center line. And you'll find that energy points up there. It's like a triangle. Then you start massaging it with a bit of tiger balm and do it in 60 counts. You can pause the video and come back to me when you're done. Form your fist on the side that is painful. If your pain is on the left, you're gonna form the fist on your left. So this would be like resembling of your brain. You're gonna put tiger balm on these 3 cracks of your 4 fingers, and you start massage it really hard. So it will be like lightly form the fist like this. And then you put tiger balm in this crack and start rubbing it a minute each. So just count to 1 to 60 and you make this area really hot. Then you're moving to the next. And then the last one is over here. So each crack, you're gonna do it for a minute. Next, we're gonna working on our feet. So there's point A and B. So let's look at the A. So this is point A. You're gonna dab some tiger balm on and start massaging it. And then with the tiger balm on the skin, you draw the line just like the diagram showing. You're going this way. You just keep massaging it downward from the top. Do this for a minute, count it to 60. And then you're moving to the B. So the B area is here. This area right here. So you're going to put the tiger balm in this area and start scratching with this pen. You're going to do it consistently, quick, fast stroke. It's like you're painting the whole areas with this pen. So do it quick, consistent, tight stroke, and do it for 60 counts. So after you've done that, go back from beginning and do it one more time. And then after that, just let your body rest. Stay still for the next 10 minutes of just complete quietness and let the body reset itself. And do it as many times as you need and ease yourself back to your day slowly. Repeat the whole session later if you need it. All right? And I wish you a peaceful, happy day. Remember, AcuReflexology doesn't interfere with any other treatment, so you can practice it safely. Thanks yourself for showing up today to take care of your well-being. Be patient to yourself and be kind to yourself and be consistent and do your best, and your best is enough. And I will see you in the next video.